Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to play Mortal Kombat multiplayer with friends. First step is to open Mortal Kombat app in your phone. This will take a few minutes to upload. Once it opens, you can see whether you can play this game with your friends or not. So, go to Select Mode. Here you will see two modes, Quick Play and Server. None of them align with multiplayer mode. Now return to the main page. Go to the inbox. As you see, there is no friends list. For the time being, there is no option available for multiplayer mode in Mortal Kombat. So you cannot play this game with your friends as for now. And this is it. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.